Guys, I got this coconut pumpkin macaron candle from Aldi. Now, I normally don't get candles from anywhere but Bath & Body Works because I've purchased candles and then they don't smell like anything when you light them. We're gonna try this out. I will say that Phil said all pumpkin candles just smell like cinnamon, and I smelled this again and it just smelled like cinnamon. So, makes me laugh. Also got these really cute napkins. They were $1 per pack. So these two are pineapples. So I got 2 of the big and 2 of the little. And then also look at these little leaf napkins. I just love these. I feel like they'll be good for next summer when we have guests over, if we're allowed to. Guys, I'm watching Mary Poppins. It's for our new show, The Magic Movie Club. I had to show you something. I was eating my movie snack. I love these fruit strips because apparently I'm a little kid. And it came with more than 1 strip in the pouch. They only come with 1 typically. So I got a bonus. Does that mean the calories are as labeled still? Hi friends. It's kind of been a crazy week with work. And tonight I am so excited because we are going to be doing our first ever Magic Movie Club live YouTube show. So if you're not in the loop, it is myself and my friend Mary over at Jolly Holiday with Mary, and we are doing a weekly show called the Magic Movie Club. It's a show where we have a special guest. They come on, we've already watched a movie, and we're here to talk about it. So tonight we watched Mary Poppins. I watched it yesterday / today, but we're ready to talk about it tonight. And then this evening, our guests, which are It's Always Sunny, Brandon and Heidi, they are going to select in a blind manner. They can't see what the videos are, what the next movie is going to be. So I'm excited to talk about Mary Poppins. I'm excited to see what the next movie we're going to watch is. It's going to be a lot of fun. But I gotta make dinner so then we can eat and then I can get ready for this show. Let's go. So I didn't actually show you what we're making, but it's a tilapia and a creamy Romanesque sauce. And this is what it ended up looking like. Looks pretty delicious. Not as bountiful as in the picture though. But I kind of have the barley piled up a little bit. Alright guys, it is Thursday and we are going to cook this seared chicken and honey chipotle sauce. It looks really yummy. I had a little bit of that creme fraiche and it was delish. Hi friends, it is Thursday and we're having some sushi tonight. Let's check it out. This is from Plum House. It looks delish. I got the mango roll, I got the yum yum roll, and I got a Philadelphia roll. Jimmy, what are we doing?
Updating my resume.
What'd you bring us?
Subs. And I brought you guys Starbucks.
Woo! And who's gonna help us do your resume?
Papa.
I got a BLT sub on an everything roll. And then Jimmy got me a pumpkin cream cold brew. Yes. Happy Saturday, guys. Today is my parents' anniversary, so we are going over there to have dinner with them. But first, I want to show you something fun that Phil and I did today. We actually made a fall bucket list. Let me show you what's on it. So I put our fall bucket list items in this Toy Story Moleskine. Isn't it beautiful? And here it is, fall bucket list. So we want to go apple picking. We want to visit Serpentines, which is a farm, as well as Green Acres Farm. We want to have hot cider and fry cakes out on our patio. We want to go for a drive to visit fall foliage. We want to pick pumpkins and carve them. We also want to toast pumpkin seeds, and I have like kind of a different way we maybe want to try out. Bake something with apples, bake something with pumpkins. We want to have a fall snack and fall movie day. We want to plan our family Halloween costumes, and we also want to make Halloween treats. So there we go, some fall activities that we're gonna try out. And if you stay tuned on the weekly vlogs, we hope to check all these off this fall. It's my parents' 33rd wedding anniversary. Look at this handsome couple.
All
right, Mom, take us on a tour of our dinner tonight.
So, well, first of all, we have a centerpiece.
Oh, those are beautiful.
But it's a little big for the table, so it's over here.
Where did you get this?
Castle.
Oh my gosh, they did a fantastic job.
Now, what are these flowers?
They're ranunculus,
Those
and
are
then
beautiful.
these are gorgeous.
Beautiful roses, sunflowers.
Wow.
What are these?
I don't know.
No, they're a type of lily. They're
oh, and then there's like these berries.
These are calla lilies.
Oh, I know those, but I don't know what this red stuff is. And I love the pot that it's in. You could totally reuse that pumpkin thing.
And there's a little hydrangea.
Oh, wow. This is gorgeous.
Yeah, they did a very nice job.
They delivered it to her.
Yeah, I love it.
It was so special.
Beautiful job, Rockcastle.
We have some shrimp cocktail, always good and easy with a little cocktail sauce. We have deconstructed caprese salad because some people don't like tomatoes, some people don't like basil, and my son doesn't like the tomatoes, so we got some cucumber, and then you can do your own salad. I got all dressing, I got all kinds of different flavored vinegars and oils. Clan's Casino. We have strip steak and filet.
Wow.
Some hot peppers. Some salmon because that's Pauline's favorite,
and scallops
because everybody likes it.
Wow, fantastic job, Mom and Dad. It looks delicious. All right, here are our treats from Jackson's. Let me show them all to you. We have delicious brownies. These are honestly so good. Then there is a fudge roll here. Looks like it had a little casualty. My dad wants to show you the smiley cookie. It's being weird. And then Jackson's also has the best carrot cake in Rochester. Bold statement, but true statement. Let me just say too, this all came from a bakery that literally burned down the other day. They had a fire. I guess they didn't burn down all the way, but they had a fire. And they're still making these delicious desserts. Hi friends, coming at you to close out last week's video. Zeus is here too. We had a pretty good week. I also feel like in terms of vlogging, I'm a little bit back on track, I think. So cheers to that. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give us a comment below. Tell me what was your favorite part about our week this week. Also give us a thumbs up. And finally, if you really liked our vlog, we would love for you to subscribe and come back to watch more of our Disney and life content. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Peace, love, and kwaherini.